Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the diverter valve collar and body on a Hot Spring, Tiger River, and Hotspot spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: reciprocating saw, compound miter saw, chisel, hammer, PVC glue, and purple primer. Parts you will need: diverter valve collar, nut, O-ring, and body, flexible PVC, slip couplings, a reducer, and a reducing elbow. The plumbing on each Hot Spring, Tiger River, and Hotspot spa is different. You may need different parts than the ones listed in this video. If you are unsure of which parts you need for your diverter valve collar replacement, call our tech support at 805-541-9000. Step 1. Cut the flexible PVC as close as you can to the diverter valve body with the reciprocating saw. Step 2. Using the chisel and hammer, chip away at the collar where the collar meets the bar top. Be careful not to damage the bar top with the chisel. Step 3. Remove the diverter valve collar, nut, and body from the spa. Step 4. Prime and glue the reducer to the diverter valve body. Step 5. Cut a piece of 2-inch PVC. Prime and glue the PVC to the other side of the diverter valve body. Step 6. Prime and glue the reducing elbow to the PVC. Make sure to orient the elbow the same way the original elbow was oriented. Step 7. Prime the top of the diverter valve body, install the nut, and push the body through the bar top opening. Brace the body against the floor of the spa with a 4x4 post so that you can push the collar down all the way over the diverter valve body when you glue them together. Step 8. Put glue on the collar, install the O-ring on the bar top, align the collar with the groove on the body and push the collar down around the body as far as it will go. Do it quickly because the glue will start to set as soon as it touches the primer. Step 9. Secure the collar to the bar top by tightening the nut. Step 10. Prime and glue the 1.5-inch coupling to the existing PVC. Step 11. Measure and cut a new piece of 1.5-inch PVC. Prime and glue the PVC to the coupling and the diverter valve body. Step 12. Measure and cut a new piece of 1.5-inch PVC. Step 13. Prime and glue the other 1.5-inch coupling to the existing PVC. Prime and glue the new piece of PVC to the coupling and reducing elbow. Step 14. Measure and cut a piece of 2-inch PVC. Dry fit everything before you prime and glue. Make sure the height of the discharge pipe matches the height of the jet pump. Step 15. Prime and glue the 2-inch coupling to the discharge pipe. Step 16. Prime and glue the 2-inch PVC to the coupling and the diverter valve body. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.